Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This is your bonus video for Sunday, and keep watching this video to see how we pulled that tree out of this area with that backhoe. It's gonna be in a time lapse, so sit back, grab your snacks and your drinks and have some fun. It's only like a minute long anyway. There it is. That's a decent sized hole for that thing to come out of. Yeah. That was the little section I was talking about. I tore that off pretty early on. That was just giving me fits though. Finally got that half of the root area tore up enough and I was able to push her over. And then you saw I came around on this side and I kind of broke all these roots off and rolled it over that way. She did pretty good. So, if you guys like this video, it's kind of a short bonus video, but I thought it'd just be cool to show you guys how I did this. So, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you're brand new, and put in the comments down below what you guys like the most. Don't forget to check all the affiliate links in the description down below. If you need any of it down there, please buy it through there. It helps support me and support the channel and give us some more equipment to work with. Give some cooler camera angles and different things like that. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.